Hello friends and welcome to Uma's Kitchen. Today's recipe is a very soft and delicious puri which is made with fermented all-purpose flour and is known as bhatura or bhature in Hindi. This puri is always served with chole or chana masala and it makes a wonderful and very well-known delicious street food called chole bhature. The fermentation of the dough can be done by adding yeast or even without adding yeast, but today we are going to use dry active yeast to ferment the dough. So first let us start with the ingredients needed to make bhature. All-purpose flour or maida 3 cups, salt 3/4 of a teaspoon, sugar 1 teaspoon, dry active yeast 1.5 teaspoons, oil 1 tablespoon for the dough and more for deep frying the bhatura, and plain yogurt or dahi 3 tablespoons. First let us start by preparing the dough. So to the all-purpose flour we are first going to add salt, then sugar and just mix everything once. Now add 1 tablespoon of oil and then all the yogurt. Now I am going to mix it one more time. And now we are going to add the yeast. The yeast that I am going to use today is dry active yeast and it does not need any proofing or activation. But if the packet or the bottle of the yeast that you buy from the market says that the yeast requires proofing, then you have to soak it in 1 teaspoon of sugar and about 1 to 2 tablespoons of water for about 5 to 10 minutes. After about 10 minutes, as shown in the picture, it will all foam up and that is when you have to add it to the flour. But this yeast that I am using today does not require any proofing, so I am directly adding it to the flour. Now add warm water to it little at a time and knead it to make a dough which is neither very soft nor very hard and dry. And to give you an idea, I have used about 3/4 cup of warm water to make this dough. Now just apply very little oil on top and knead it one more time to make it even and soft. Now cover it with a damp cloth or paper towel. And now to ferment it, keep it aside in a warm place for about 1 to 2 hours. After about an hour and a half or so, you can see our dough has almost doubled in volume. Also it has become very soft and fluffy. So I am going to knead it one more time and now divide it into equal parts. The size of each part can be anything between 1 to 2 inches, any size that you are comfortable rolling at a time. Now roll each part between your palms and press to flatten, and these are now ready for rolling. For deep frying the bhature, I have already kept oil for heating, and now we are going to roll each part into a circle, or you can also make an oval. Make sure that when you roll, the edge is thinner than the center, only then it will puff up nicely. And now this is ready for frying. Our oil should also be hot by this time, so lift it up and carefully release it into hot oil. Allow it to puff up fully and then flip it over to the other side. Now allow the lower side to be done as well for a few seconds and then drain out the excess oil and remove it on a paper towel. Repeat with the rest of the dough parts and serve hot bhature right away. Sometimes the bhature are also made oval in shape, so this is how you can roll them and then deep fry in a similar way. But always remember to serve them hot. Keep serving right away as and when you fry them. Serve delicious bhature with chole or chana masala, and also remember to add some raw onion and any pickle of your choice. Hope you enjoy making this delicious street food at home. Remember to post any questions or comments and also like and subscribe Uma's Kitchen. Thank you for watching.